how to transfer crypto from OKX App to Binance Exchange. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can transfer crypto from the OKX App to Binance Exchange, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Since we are trying to transfer to Binance, we first have to copy the wallet address of the crypto that we're trying to transfer from Binance. So come to the portfolio tab from the bottom right of the screen. Then you want to simply go to this option called deposit. Then when you go to deposit, so let's say you're trying to transfer Binance, you have to search for, let's say, Binance here or any of the other cryptocurrency that you're trying to transfer. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then first choose a network. And once you choose a network here, you want to make sure to copy this wallet address. You can take a screenshot of this QR code or you can directly copy the deposit address. Now what we have to do is we have to open up the OKX crypto application here. Then once we have launched the OKX app, you will see all this. So go to the assets tab from the bottom right of the screen, then simply go to deposit. Now in my case, I have not verified my account, but now when you tap on deposit, you have to simply paste the wallet address that we copied from Binance by selecting whichever Binance that or crypto that you're trying to send. So this way you'll be able to transfer crypto from OKX app to Binance. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.